How to create a Facebook business page easily. Welcome to this guide on setting up your very own Facebook business page. Today, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to get your business online and ready to connect with millions of Facebook users. Firstly, let's discuss why having a Facebook business page is essential. It's more than just a presence on a social network. It's an opportunity to engage with your audience, showcase your products or services, and drive traffic to your website. Plus, it's free. To get started, you'll need a personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by visiting facebook.com and following the sign-up process. Once you have your personal account ready, let's dive into creating your business page. Before we move on, if this video is helping you so far, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments from which city you're watching. We love seeing how far our content is reaching. Navigate to the Facebook homepage and click on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner. From there, select Create Page. You'll be presented with options to choose the type of page you want to create. Whether you're a business, brand, community, or public figure, make sure to select the option that best describes your venture. Next, you'll be asked to fill in some basic details about your business. This includes the name of your page, which should be your business name, and a category that best fits your page's purpose. Don't worry if you're not sure right now. You can change it later if needed. Now, it's time to make your page visually appealing. Upload a profile picture and a cover photo. Your profile picture is often your logo, while the cover photo can be something that showcases your business, like a product shot or an engaging graphic. Remember, high-quality images make a great impression. Once your images are uploaded, it's time to enter a description for your business. Keep it concise but informative. Explain what your business is all about and what customers can expect. This is your space to capture attention right away. After setting up the basics, you can customize your page further. Add your website, contact information, location, business hours, and other details that help your audience reach you. Don't skip the About section. It's where users learn more about your business and why they should follow you. Include your mission, vision, and values to connect on a deeper level. Now that your page is set up, it's essential to start posting content. This could be anything from company updates, behind the scenes, to industry news. Engaging content encourages likes, shares, and interactions. Being active is key to maintaining a successful online presence. Consider inviting your friends to like your page initially. This can help build some momentum. Over time, as you post regularly and promote your page, you'll see your audience grow. To track your page's performance, use Facebook's Insights tool. It provides valuable analytics on how users are interacting with your page. You can see which posts perform best, where your audience is located, and more. Finally, remember to interact with your followers. Respond to comments and messages promptly. This builds trust and shows you value your audience's input. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Facebook business page easily. With dedication and the right strategy, your business can reach new heights on social media. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. Thank you for watching.